Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are all in the pink of health. I am Atanu Roy and you are watching Bond Making and Bond Breaking channel. So today we are going to discuss about the nitro compounds or aromatic nitro compounds chemical reactions. Okay. So today's topic is chemical reaction of the aromatic nitro compound. So let's start with optimistic energy. Let's go. So on the previous video I have discussed about the physical properties and the chemical and the preparation methods and the UPAC nomenclature of the aromatic nitro compounds. So today I am going to discuss with you today's topic. Today's topic is chemical. Today's topic is chemical reactions. Chemical reactions of aromatic nitro compounds. This is our today's topic. So if you have any nitro group, that is I take as it nitrobenzene, and you want to prepare from here NO and then NHOH and then NH2. So you can prepare nitrobenzene to phenyl hydroxylamine and aniline. Nitrobenzene, nitrosobenzene, phenyl hydroxybenzene and aniline. Okay, phenyl hydroxylbenzene and this is aniline. So you can prepare by reduction reaction. This is called reduction reaction. Nitrobenzene, then nitrosobenzene, then phenyl hydroxylbenzene and then aniline. You can prepare nitrobenzene to aniline. Aniline. So you can prepare nitrobenzene to aniline through this step. So first chemical reaction, that is reduction reaction in acidic medium. First chemical reaction is reduction reaction in acidic medium. Okay, then you take nitrobenzene. This is nitrobenzene, and then you used SN and concentrated HCl. SN and concentrated HCl with the presence of German hydrogen. What will be the product? The product will aniline. So nitrobenzene to aniline you can prepare through this reagent SN and concentrated H2SO4 HCl with the presence of German oxygen. So this is a reduction reaction in acidic medium. This is the reduction reaction in acidic medium. This is the number 1 chemical reaction for aromatic nitro compounds. Number 2, Number 2 is reduction reaction. Number 2 is reduction reaction in neutral medium. In neutral medium. Acidic reaction in neutral medium. So then you take nitrobenzene and use Zn and ammonium chloride. Zn and ammonium chloride. Okay. You get, due to the presence of 50 degrees centigrade temperature and ethanol. Ethanol. The product will be NHOH. NHOH. So if you take acidic medium for nitrobenzene, to nitrobenzene, you get aniline. And if you react in the neutral medium, you get NHOH for the reduction of nitrobenzene. Okay. So first, if you have nitrobenzene and you use SN and concentrated HCl, you get NH2. Then you have nitrobenzene and then you use Zn and ammonium chloride, you get this product. This is okay. This is phenyl hydroxylamine. So nitrobenzene to phenyl hydroxylamine and nitrobenzene to aniline. First process, second process. Now third process. Third process. Third, reduction. Third, reduction reaction in basic medium. Okay, reduction reaction in basic medium. So now, if you have nitrobenzene, and you want to react with the presence of Zn dust and methanolic NaOH, what will be the product? The product is it gives you the coupling product. Okay, this is called azobenzene. This is called azobenzene. Okay, so you have nitrobenzene, then you use Zn dust, you get azobenzene. So those are three reactions. If it is occurred on acidic medium, you get nitrobenzene to aniline. Okay, very good. If you take it in neutral medium, nitrobenzene gives you phenyl hydroxylamine, that is NHOH. If it is occurred in the basic medium, nitrobenzene gives you azobenzene. Clear? Repeat after me. In acidic medium, nitrobenzene gives you aniline. In neutral medium, nitrobenzene gives you phenyl hydroxylamine, and the basic medium, it gives you azo product. Aniline gives you azobenzene. The nitrobenzene gives you azobenzene. So those are the three reactions of nitrobenzene on different medium. Okay. Third, fourth chemical reaction. Fourth chemical reaction is by lithium aluminium hydride. So if you have NO2, nitrobenzene, and you want to use this lithium aluminium hydride, you get the product that is azo product. And similar, the reduction reaction with the presence of basic medium, okay, by lithium aluminum hydride. Fifth chemical important reaction, if you have nitrobenzene and you slightly acidic solution in slightly acidic solution and strong acidic solution, the product will be different. In slightly acidic solution, it gives you NH2. In strong acidic solution, it gives you NHOH. So nitrobenzene in slightly acidic solution, it gives you aniline. Nitrobenzene in strong acidic solution, it gives you NHOH. Okay. Then there are some selective reduction reaction. Okay. Number 6. Selective reduction reaction. You have nitrobenzene and you want to react with NH4HS with the presence of heat. Okay, then you can get meta-nitroaniline. If this is meta-nitrobenzene, it gives you meta-nitroaniline. This is very selective reagent. This O2 is removed and H2 is added. So this is reduction reaction. We know it. When oxygen is removed, it is called reduction reaction. Okay. Or you can use easily, if you have nitrobenzene and you used Raney nickel on 30 ADM H2, then you can also prepare aniline. There are so many processes to convert nitrobenzene to aniline. Raney nickel, lithium aluminum hydride, or in the acidic medium. Okay, this is also very important. Then in nitrobenzene, if you give chlorine, it gives you the meta product, not ortho and para. So as NO2 is meta product, so you can get this product if you use Cl2. As usual, if you give here concentrated H2 support, you can get NO2, and for H2 support you can get it SO3H. This is sulfonation reaction, this is chlorination reaction. Okay. If you added KOH, to NO2, so it gives you nitrobenzene and the OH product, but the OH product on the ortho position. That is the specific Okay. If you react, firstly NO2 nitrobenzene reacts with radionickel 30 atm pressure and H2, it gives you aniline, and you use aniline here NaNO2 and HCl, and 0 to 5 degrees centigrade temperature, it gives you benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Okay. This benzene diazonium chloride can give you, this benzene diazonium chloride can give you, this benzene diazonium chloride can give you, this benzene, it may give you chlorobenzene, it can give you bromobenzene, it can give you iodobenzene, it may give you fluorobenzene. If you want Cl, beer Sandmeyer reaction is occurred. If you want Ki, then if you want to use Ki, iodobenzene is given. If you give HBF4, the product will be fluorobenzene by on the this product benzene diazonium chloride. You can use here CuCl and HCl. You may use CuBr and HBr. CuBr and HBr. So this is the process for conversion. You have nitrobenzene, you convert it aniline, then benzene diazonium chloride by using NaNO2 and HCl. Benzene diazonium chloride gives you, for using CuCl, it gives you chlorobenzene. For CuBr, it gives you bromobenzene. For Ki, it gives you iodobenzene. For HBF4, it gives you fluorobenzene. So this is the method for conversion one compound to another compounds. Okay. So those are very important chemical reaction. Hope you understand and you should practice on it, because conversion is very important. If you can do it easily, then the organic chemistry for your side is very easy. So let's try and practice it again. Thank you so much. Take care of your health. Goodbye.